From the tropical regions of Southeast Asia to the temperate climates of Europe and North America, fruit comes in all shapes, sizes, and flavors. Fruits are not just objects we eat, they are also vital components of ecosystems, providing food and shelter for countless animals and insects. If you are not a biologist, sticking around till the end of the video will help you to appreciate the intricate web of relationship within nature and the rich diversity of plant life on Earth. So, what is your favorite fruit? Please let me know in the comment section below. Biologists, you really have to fix your eyes on the screen because classification of fruit is really one of the practical aspects of biology. In this video, we will classify fruits based on structure, and then we will state the agent of fruit dispersal and also describe the features that adapt fruits to their modes of dispersal. A fruit has a pericarp, which is a collection of epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Epicarp is the outer covering of a fruit. Mesocarp is a middle layer of a fruit. Endocarp is the inner layer of a fruit which carries the seed. A fruit has a seed or seeds, as the case may be. A fruit has the remain of the style or scar, showing points of attachment of the style. A fruit has a stalk, showing points of attachment of the fruit to the plant, as you can see also in the diagram. Classification of fruits based on structure. Fruits has the following classifications based on structure. 1. True and false fruits. 2. Simple, aggregate, and composite fruits. 3. Fleshy and dry fruits. 4. Dehiscent and indehiscent fruits. A true fruit is a fruit that develops solely from fertilized ovary, and it consists of a pericarp and seed or seeds. Examples of true fruits are mango, orange, cowpea, watermelon, etc. A false fruit is formed from ovary and other floral parts of a flower. Examples of false fruits are apple, pineapple, and cashew. etc. A simple fruit develops from a single ovary. Examples of simple fruits are okra, tomato, and pawpaw. Sometimes a simple fruit may be formed from a monocarpous ovary, that is, ovary that has just a single carpel, or a syncarpous ovary. Aggregate fruits are fruits which develops from a single flower with several ovaries. Each ovary develops into a fruitlet. Examples of aggregate fruits are kola nuts, apple, strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, and every other berries. A composite fruit, otherwise known as multiple fruits, are fruits which develop solely from several flowers positioned very close to one another. The floral parts fuse together to form single large fruits. Example is pineapple, fig, and mulberry. Fleshy fruit is a type of fruit in which the whole pericarp, or at least one of its layers, is thick, soft, and succulent, especially when it is ripe. It could be one of its layers could be the epicarp, it could be the mesocarp, or even the endocarp. Fleshy fruits are classified into 4 groups, namely drupe, berry, sorosis, and pome. Drupe has a thin epicarp, fibrous mesocarp, and stony endocarp. Examples of drupe, which is a fleshy fruit, are mango, coconut, and palm kernel. Berry has thin epicarp, succulent mesocarp, and succulent endocarp. The difference between a berry and a drupe is that the endocarp of a berry is not hard and stony, but is fleshy and soft and succulent. Examples of berry, a fleshy fruit, are orange, pawpaw, tomatoes, pepper, melon, and guava. The pericarp of sorosis can be fleshy, dry, or combination of both, and it's typically composed of 3 layers, just as every other fruit: epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. The difference in sorosis is that they develop from an entire inflorescence, that is, several flowers. Soroses are also known as composite fruits. Examples are pineapple, fig, and mulberry. Pome has a thin epicarp, succulent mesocarp, and endocarp, which are fused together. Pome has a central seed or seeds surrounded by a thick layer of pulp and a thick layer of peel. Example of pome, which is a fleshy fruit, is apple and avocado pear. Dry fruits. Dry fruits are fruits which the whole pericarp is dry, hard, woody, or fibrous when it is ripe. Dry fruits are classified into 2. 1. Dehiscent fruit. 2. Indehiscent fruit. Dehiscent fruits are fruits which split to release their seeds when they are ripe, leaving only the fruit walls on the plant. Examples of dehiscent fruits are 1. Legumes or pods. Example: cowpeas, pride of Barbados, crofolaria, and flamboyant. 2. Capsule. Examples are castor oil fruits, okra fruits, cotton, and para rubber fruit. 3. Follicle. Examples are schizocarp, desmodium, and cassia. Indehiscent fruits are fruits which does not split to release their seed when they are ripe, but usually fall to the ground, where the whole pericarp eventually decays on the ground to release their seeds. Examples of indehiscent fruits are: number 1, nuts. Example: cashew nut. 2. Caryopsis. Example: rice, millet, guinea corn. 3. Cypsela. Example, Tridax fruit, Emilia fruit. 4. Akin. Example, strawberry, sunflower. 5. Samara. Example, combretum and pterocarpus. Agent of fruit dispersals and structure which adapt fruit to different agents of dispersal. Number 1 agent of dispersal is water. Fruits which are dispersed by water are light, have waterproof apical, have fibrous mesocarp. Another agent of dispersal is wind. Fruits which are dispersed by wind are light, may have wings, may have floors, may have parachute. Number 3 agents of dispersal, animals. Fruits which are dispersed by animals have hooks or hairs, are edible, are sticky fruits, or are planted by man. Number 4 agent of dispersal, explosive mechanisms. Fruits which are dispersed by explosive mechanisms have one or more lines of weakness from which the fruit will split when the pericarp dries up. So this is how we have come to the end of classification of fruits. It's complicated though, but you really have to follow it step by step to understand better. Feel free to check out other of my videos and let me know your questions in the comment section below. And do not forget to like and share the video to someone who may need it. I am Glory Jonathan, your favorite teacher. See you in my next video.